In this video today, I'm going to practically show you what the Meyo app is all about, how to make use of the Meyo app, how to earn more money with the Meyo app. And I'm not stopping at that. For those that are having issues with authentication, I'm also going to show you some tricks that I do that a lot of people now that were having issues with authentication, now they can now do their authentication and much more. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm going to also show you other apps that you can use to make money on the internet. But before we go into the practical aspect of this video, I want to say thank you to all of you that have been requesting for this video. Like, when I see the request is much, as you can see, I've not even make my hair, nothing. Like I said, no, the request is much, so let me make this video. Please don't make this video flop. Give me a like. Thank you so much. Let's go to the practical aspect. You're welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So right here is a link that you will click to sign up. If you have not signed up, it is important. I'm also going to drop the link in the comment section and in the description of this video. Once you follow the link, it will ask you to download, and take note of this code AVGY8N. You can copy it or write it down somewhere because you are going to need it as you sign up. So right here it will ask you to download. My own is saying update because I've already downloaded it. Yours, you see download, and you are going to click on it to download the app. Once you have successfully downloaded it, you are going to sign up, and it's going to give you option. You can decide to sign up with your Facebook or your Google or even Apple ID, because I'm using an iPhone right now, but I strongly advise people to use Android phone because the Apple phone is limited to some features, most especially chatting. Okay, so it will ask you, you accept and continue. I enter my passcode for my phone and all that. So once that is done, you are going to input your nickname right here. I always use my first name, Ijapari Gyang. That's the name I use. You are now going to enter your birthday. Okay, you select your birthday, 17th November. That is my birthday, so I will select my birthday and year. So once that is done, you are also going to input the code that I say you should copy that time or write it down. You put your invitation code and then click OK. It is important you use a code. Then your new user gift, you are going to get a gift. That's for signing up and using a code. You are going to get a gift. So once you have received that, the next thing is for you to do your authentication. This is where a lot of people are struggling with. Okay, please, some of you are using what I ordered for versus what I get. Like, you use your picture that you have makeup or filter on, and then when you come to authentication, it's not going to accept. So the best option is for you to snap a selfie and use it for authentication. Okay, then after this authentication, you can always update and change your picture to that beautiful fine girl that you want to use. So here are the features. Down here is home, here is moment, the next place is club, and then the next one is message, and then the other one is me, where it's going to show you your profile. So now that you have known the features of the app, the next thing is to join a family, or before you even join a family, you can also check to know people that are in your vicinity. If you just click on this moment, okay, you will see new people and you see nearby people that you can chat with. But before you even go to all that, you need to join a family. And here it's not like purpose, so you can always join a family and you can always exit anytime you want to exit any family. Okay, so for you to join a family, you need to come to club. Okay, you are going to click on club. So when you click on club, you are going to see families, different families. So you see connect family. So you are going to see Ijapari Gyang's family. So you can click and then apply to join, so that you can mingle with other people that are in this family. So you can always exit one family to join another family. But one thing you should know about the family is that if you want to open your own family, you have to exit every other person's family. So like me now, I was in Kudi Dynasty family before I now understood the app, and then exit and then join my family. Okay, so how then do you make money on the app? You are going to click on me and then click on tax center. There are tasks that you are going to be doing on daily basis. Okay, like watching adverts, chatting with people. Okay, as you can see, somebody just gifted me now. You can, for you to signing up every day. If you join safe, after 24 hours, every 24 hours, if you log in, there's signing bonus. You send a gift to a family, also you are going to earn more with it. You are going, there are a lot of that. But if you want to make more money, you can also subscribe to monthly pass. This monthly pass, meaning they are going to get more tax. That is what the monthly tax is all about. Okay, so here when you click on the monthly pass, it's already showing you the free. So if you are on a free mode that you did not subscribe for the monthly tax, these are the kind of message you are going to tax you will do. But this other side that I'm showing you right now, this other side, it is you have to pay for it to do. You have to subscribe, which is like around 2,000 naira, so like less than $3, okay, to subscribe monthly to get higher tax. But it is not compulsory. You can decide not to subscribe to a monthly tax, and then you'll be doing the one that I'm giving you. Okay, so the next thing is, if you click on me here, you are going to see invites. Okay, that's another way people make a lot of money. You can invite more friends. So you click on the invite, and then you can click and copy. Either you send it to WhatsApp or copy it and send to people, so that once they sign up, they can also be able, you earn. The moment they sign up, they will be showing you your own commission, what you are getting as people are signing up. Okay, so you can click on setting to know more about the app. And another thing again is party. You can also be doing party tax. Okay, so when you click on the home right here, you are going to see party up. You know, there is party, there is game and all that. So you can click on anyone to join their party. Okay, like this lady now, just click to join. If you see any seat, like you can click on a seat. When you click on it, you apply. As you can see, apply succeeded. So if she will now bring me up so that I can stay on the mic. I can stay on the mic for depends on, sometimes they will tell you 10 minutes, 5 minutes on the mic. So once that is done, you are going to get your own coins for doing that. You can also play games. I want to do more video on the games, the Ludo and all that, but it's when I see people that are interested. So if you are interested in me making more video about this app, comment make money online with Meyo. Okay, with Meyo app. If you drop that comment, if I see more people that are interested in it, I'm going to make a practical video, more video, just like I did over 40 something videos about Popo that make people to understand the app very much. Now I'm going to make more video, but only if I see people that are interested, because sometimes I used to feel bad when I make video and then people are not watching. So please, if you have any more question, you can also ask in the comment section. Don't mind what I'm saying. No, I just remove what I'm saying, and I'm just doing voiceover on this one. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you have question on the Meyo app, ask. Is when you ask question that I'll be able to know what is bothering you, so that I'll be able to create more content about this app. And again, I promised earlier that I'll tell you more app that you can use to make money. Another app that I use to make money is Popo. I know a lot of people are already on Popo/Von, but if you are new, Popo is another one that make me the most money so far. Okay, and all that. So thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and then this year I'm talking a lot about content creation. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.